Hello students, welcome to Ramakrishna English Medium School. Before we start, I request you all to join your hands, close your eyes and say prayer after me. Oh my God, bless us for the day. Oh my God, bless us, our Father, our Mother and our teachers. Amen.
Good morning, my dear children. I, Miss Ekta Patil, your class teacher, is going to teach you today's subject EVS 2. So, students, let's begin. Students, in the last chapter, we had learned about Shivaji's education. So, now we are going to learn new topic, that is Oath of Swaraj. So, students, let's see. Students, before starting with the topic, let's learn the meaning of oath. Now, what is the meaning of oath? The meaning of oath is the form of words where promises made. Now, students, let us learn the meaning of Swaraj. Swaraj means Swa, that is self, and Raj means rule. It means self-governance or self-rule. So students, now let us begin with the explanation of chapter. The temple at Raireshwar. Students, in the southwest of Pune there is a beauty spot called Raireshwar and it is famous for its temple. In 1645, extraordinary event take place there. Shivaji and a few Mavlas from neighboring valley had gathered there. Why they had come to this spot hidden in deep forest? What did they discuss and what favor did they have of Lord Shiva? All the answers of this question we will receive as we moved ahead in this lesson. Students, now we will see the fiery elegance of young Shivaji. What do you mean by fiery elegance? Fiery elegance means strong personality. Shivaji was quite young, but his mind was already planning big things. He opened his mind only with his playmates. Students, what do you mean by playmates? Yes, very good. Playmates means friends. He said to his friend, "My dear friends, today I am going to talk to you about something which is in my mind for a long time." Here, the Shivaji is talking to his friend. Whatever is going in his mind, he is sharing with his friends. He spoke to his friends that my father Shahaji Raje was a Sardar at the court of Bijapur. Who is the father of Shivaji? Yes, correct. Shahaji Raje. And who is he? He was the Sardar at the court of Bijapur. Shivaji says it is he who has given me the charge of Jagir. Friends, everything is going peacefully and well, but still I am not happy. Must be always satisfied as the bondman of the Sultan. Here, the bondman means who is working under the Sultan. Our people get killed for nothing during this war and family after family gets uprooted. Here, uprooted means destroyed. Our country suffers destructions. And what do we get out of this? Nothing but slavery. How long shall we continue to tolerate all this? How long shall we lay down our lives for others? Shall we allow this all to continue? Just for the sake of small Watan? Watan means nation. Students, you can recognize by these words of Shivaji that he is speaking this all in a anger. While sharing this all to his friend, his face had become whole read in a anger. In the middle of speech, he stopped and looked at his companions. The young Maulas gathered in the inner sanctum of Raireshwar and were greatly thrilled by Shivaji's speech. Students, now what do you mean by inner sanctum? The inner sanctum means the holy place, and thrilled means extremely happy. Shivaji's friends were very happy with his speech. They had seen a new vision from Shivaji's speech. One of them said to Shivaji that, "Our young prince, tell us clearly. Whatever is in your mind, we are ready to follow your instructions." After that, they all said in a one voice that, "We are with you. We shall do whatever you say, at the cost of our lives." Students, here the Shivaji's friends had believed in him and had great trust on him and was ready to do whatever Shivaji said at the cost of their lives. Students, now we will proceed further. Let's see the oath of Swaraj. Shivaji was inspired from his friends' words. Looking at each one of them, he said, "Our path is clear now. We shall now strive to attain our ideal. All should be ready to sacrifice their lives for this ideal, that is Hindavi Swaraj." Shivaji talked with his friends that we will have our own Raj, mine, yours, and everybody's. We refuse to live as slaves anymore. Let us take this oath with Raireshwar as witness. Here in the front of Lord Shiva, they took oath. After that, the mind of Shivaji was filled with great joy. As soon as he reached Pune, he went directly to Lal Mahal to see his mother Jizabai. He described to her all that took place at Raireshwar. Overjoyed, Jizabai thought with satisfaction that Shivaji would accomplish what was always in her mind. Jizabai was very happy that Shivaji would accomplish his resolve. Now, let's see the preparation in the Maval Valley. Shivaji soon got busy with his new activities. Along with his friends, he started intensive training in swordsmanship. Intensive means strongly focused on specific thing. Exploring the secret paths in the hills and getting familiar with the general topography of the lands, its valleys and ghats and possible communication routes. What does it mean by topography? Topography means physical features. Shivaji made a detailed survey of all forts and military establishment in the area. Now students, let's see the Deshmukhs in the Maval Valley are Junjarao Maral, Haibatrao Shilamkar, Baji Pasalkar, Vithoji Shitole, Jedhe, Paigude and Bandal. Now students, we will see Shivaji's royal seal. The Jagir was already been administered with the name of Shivaji. Shahaji Raje has carved a special seal in Sanskrit language for Shivaji. It read, Pratipanchradravya lekhe vavadnishnu vir racha chandita shahasa no shivasyasha mudra bhadraya rajate. The seal was read as this seal will grow in splendor like the new moon. This seal of the Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the whole world denotes the welfare of the people. The seal guaranteed to all the Mavlas that Shivaji's government was for the welfare of the people. In those days, Most of the royal seals was carved in Persian. Shivaji's royal seal was in Sanskrit. There could be no Swaraj with your own language and your own religion. But at the same time, it should not be a hatred for the other religion. The royal seal was guaranteed to all the Mawlas that the Shivaji's government was for the welfare of the people. After that, the Mawals oath to live till their last breath with Shivaji. Shivaji visited the difficult places with Dadaji Kondev. Baji Pasilkar was one of the Deshmukhs in the Mawal Valley. So students, here we had completed our chapter. I hope you all have understood it. Yes or no? Okay, very good children. Thank you.